I'm Mallory, the marketing manager here at Sundog, with another tech tip giving you some bits and bytes of knowledge. Today we'll be going over the keyboard shortcuts in Excel. Let's get started.
Alrighty, the first thing we're going to do is open up the Excel app. And we're going to open a new workbook. So we're going to hit Control O. And we have all of our pinned files right here for us. And I want the Sundog Tech Tips Excel shortcuts. So now I want to copy and paste into another column. So we're going to click on Carson's name here. And we're going to hit Control C. And I'm going to choose a column. So we're going to choose S. And I'm going to paste it with the control of Control V. Now, let's say I didn't actually want to do that. I picked the wrong column. All you have to do is hit Control Z, and it'll get rid of it for you. So we'll go back and we'll paste that in W. Now maybe I want to bold that selection. All I have to do is double click on Carson's name here and hit Control B. Now what if you wanted to fill an entire row with a color? I have this red box already filled up, but I want everything. So I'm just going to click and drag across and hit the Alt key and hit the letter H twice. And I'll pull up all of my colors. So maybe I want red, and now everything that I picked is filled. Now what if I wanted to hide that row? All I would have to do is click the number 5 over here to the left and hit Control 9. And if I wanted to do the same for a column, I would just click the letter that I wanted to get rid of and hit Control 0. Now what if I wanted to insert an image into my file? All you have to do is click Alt and the letter N. It pulls up our Insert tab. I can go to Pictures, and I can hit Stock Images. We're going to pick this picture of a lovely beach. Now if this is how I want my document to be at the end of the day, all I have to do is hit Control S, and it will automatically save for me. Thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.